Hey, what is up everybody? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Ryan. In this one, we're going to unbox these TP-LINK Smart Plugs. I picked these up off Amazon, link in the description below, because I wanted something that I could use that worked with Lumia Stream, the software that you connect with Twitch, and it does like alerts and stuff. It can control your lights. Well, it also is supposed to work with these. And I wanted to make it so when I do a charity stream, when a donation comes in, I could do something crazy. So let's get these unboxed and take a look at them. All right, pretty minimal packaging. It has a little bit of styrofoam stuff inside. Got some cardboard. Actually, there's a lot of wasted space inside the box. I think it's because they had to put the directions in there, but really there was actually a lot of wasted space inside the box. It could be smaller. What I'm trying to do is something like one of those crazy like used car salesmen, like little inflatable crazy wavy guys. I got one of those and I'm trying to see if I can make it work with donations for charity. So real simple, we got a little get started guide. We got the two plugs. The get started guide here just says plug them in, download the app, add it. Simple as that, so you can't go wrong with that. And then the plugs themselves, not a whole lot to these. Let's tear it open here. So we got just a normal US plug, that's TP-LINK logo there, normal 3-pin in the back. Looks like we probably have a power button or some sort of sync button there. I'm guessing it's to sync it to the app, get on your Wi-Fi. Nothing to this. I mean, it just, you plug it in the wall, set it up and get going. Let me go ahead and get one of these plugged in. I'll download the app on my phone and see if we can get it configured. Here we are on my cell phone and we're going to configure the TP-LINK Smart Plug. So we'll open up the Casa app and then it says we have no devices set. You'll have to actually create an account to get all this to work. I've already done that. We'll click the plus. We're going to do a single device for this one. You can do a group as well. And then we're going to do a smart plugs. And then we have the smart plug light mini. Select that. Wants to make sure you already have it plugged in. I do. Click next. Then it should ask here, I believe, if the lights are blinking to blue and orange. They are. Now what we have to do is the smart plug itself actually has a Wi-Fi kind of built-in network. We have to connect to that. So we'll open the Wi-Fi settings here. We'll connect to it. TP-LINK Smart Plug. It's not gonna have internet access because it's just a local network. Now we'll go back to the app. And we'll click I'm already connected. So now we're connected to the Wi-Fi in the smart plug. Now it wants to know what network you're going to join it to. All right, now it's going to add that to the network. Now it's connected the actual smart plug to my Wi-Fi network. We can give it a name. I'll just put office smart plug. We'll do next. You can give it a different icon if you want, depending on what it actually is that you have plugged into it. We just have the plug, so I'm going to use that. You can also like choose a picture from an album or something, use whatever you want. So congratulations, you've configured the device. Now you can see the Office Smart Plug popped in there. If I click that little button there, it turns the power off, turns the power on. It makes an audible click noise in the device itself when the power fluctuates, on or off. We'll go into it. Once again, you have a big power button here. You can do different scheduling for it of when you want to have it shut off or turn on. There's a timer if you only want it to have it turn on after a certain time or turn off after a certain time. There's an away mode. And there's a runtime that you can see how much it's been in use. Now I'm over here in Lumia Stream. You can go to lumiastream.com, download this software. It's really great. Works for alerts and whatnot when you're doing streaming on YouTube or Twitch and other things. Let's see if we can get the TP-LINK Smart Plug configured in here. So I've got it opened up. Let's go into connections. And then what we'll want to do is the top right, we'll add a connection. And then we'll search for TP So we have lights and devices. We're going to do a device. We'll connect. It's going to search the network. There's our plug that we just added. We'll go and click that. Do next. And there you go. There's our plug now added to Lumia Stream. It says TP-LINK plug is a smart plug that has remote access voice assistance and can be used for non-smart devices as well. So my whole idea here is to use this piece of software. When a donation comes in for charity, it's going to activate and deactivate this plug. That I'll have kind of some other cool things plug into that smart plug that'll turn on and off with this. And there you have it, the Smart Wi-Fi Plug Mini 2-pack from TP-LINK. Once again, I got these off Amazon. I'll put a link in the description below where you can pick them up. I think this is going to work really well for what I'm trying to do. If you like this video, make sure you give it a like, subscribe, hit that bell so you know when the next video drops, and we'll see you next time.